So this will be replacing the 2 gas bottles that we've got in there at the moment. We've got 2 15 kg butane bottles in there. So those, they've got they are 15 kgs of gas. The bottles weigh 15 kgs, so you're looking at about 30 kgs per bottle. We went for a GasIt refillable. It's a 11 kg gas bottle. So you've got the inlet and outlet valves for the kind of gas coming in, gas going out. So just the full points and that to go onto there. And obviously that should, I think it's a little bit smaller than the gas bottles that were in there, so it should hopefully fit into our gas locker okay. On the way to the gas bottle itself is between 6 and 7 kgs. It takes 11 kgs gas, so we'll be on, call it 18 kgs roughly when it's full. So obviously that's a lot lighter than the gas bottles that we had in, so it should hopefully give us a little bit extra to work with on our payload. Okay, so these are all the components that we got with it. So we've got the full pipe, and this is, I had to buy an extra one because it came with a 1/2 meter one, which is not quite long enough. So I ordered a 1.5 meter, I think it is, to be able to fit. Well, it's a 1 or a 1.5, I'll confirm that. So that's just to be able to fill it up. Then there's the 2 attachments I'll have to fit onto it to be able to fit it to the gas bottle and to the filler point. We've got just the little dial gauge to be able to show whether it's empty or full. And then we've got the full point. So that will go into that I have to drill into the body. So that's just a little open cap that'll go into, I'm going to put it into the skirting on the motorhome, and then that goes inside it, and that's just your full point, which has got the UK bayonet setting on it. And then at the moment we've just got a little butane regulator that we might change at a later date depending on what we do. So we thought just go with a cheap one for now, and then we might get a combined crossover one if we decide to get a second bottle. Let's say clockwise.
Yeah, force turn clockwise. Yeah, footstool. And then my footstool is complete, so I decided not to. Jeez. That wasn't terrifying at all.